Hey everyone, this is Baymax. He is my Nankin Bantam, which is an endangered breed. And he is here because he needs his beak trimmed a little bit. But I just noticed that his is getting rather long, so we're going to have a trim here. So now I've chosen just some toenail clippers to try to trim his beak. And I've wrapped him in a towel. His wings are tucked nicely. And I've been petting him for a little while to kind of calm him down. And so is my 3-year-old here. You want to make sure that you're not going too far. And just like a dog's toenail, there's a quick so it can bleed. And if it bleeds, you want to have some like blue coat or something like that to stop the bleeding if it's bleeding. But I'm not going to cut it too far, and I can kind of see, let's see if I can get close enough. I can kind of see that, I see it gets darker right in this spot in here. From this side I can tell, and so I'm not going to go past that.
I'm going to pet it.
Okay, you pet his belly, okay? And I will just kind of hold his. Okay. Oh.
Still. Okay.
He's okay.
No.
Oh, that looks far enough. Just round it off a little bit. That looks pretty good.
No.
Way better than it was.
No.
It was way too long.
Not doing.
So again, this is Baymax, and he is my Nankin Bantam rooster. And he's going to show off his tail for you. Alright, and we'll put him back outside now. So, nice job, Baymax. Oh, we're not done yet. Look at, see, he's getting a close-up. Is he a nice rooster?
Yeah.
Do you like him? Yeah, we like Baymax, huh?
Mhm.
So.
He's a hero.
He's a hero?
Mhm.
Aww. Aww, you're so sweet. What do you want to say about Baymax?
I want to put him in his home.
Okay, you want to put him in his home?
Mhm.
Boy, his beak looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Mhm. I'll take your wing in.
You're going to tuck his wings in? That's a good job.
So I can come in down. Where's your food?
Okay, you want to set him down by his food? That's real nice, Caspian. Say good job, Baymax.
Good job, Dad.